do these dishes. Dishes. Ah! I've been pranked!
I was pranked and so was Dad. Kids, was this you? Did you guys prank us?
We got pranked too.
J.
Alright, start editing one of these videos. This is stuck, guys. What's going on here? There's tape on the bottom. Who did that? That's weird. Weird.
A fruit snack. Yeah. Ew. It's sassy. It's so sassy. Yuck. Ooh, I want some Oreos. Ew. This tastes like, what's wrong with this? It tastes like toothpaste.
Let's do these dishes. Dishes. Ah! What is happening? Ah! Who did this? I'm soaked! I've been pranked!
I can't believe this. I was pranked and so was Dad. Somebody taped my mouse down and somebody got Dad all wet. Kids, was this you? Did you guys prank us?
We got pranked too.
You got pranked too? What happened?
Somebody put toothpaste in my cookies.
Oh no, and what happened with you?
And it was gross. When somebody put salt in my fruit snacks.
Ew! I wonder who this could be.
It's Slappy.
It was Slappy!
He pranked us.
Slappy pranked us!
Yes.
Guys, why do you think Slappy's so silly?
Yeah.
Maybe we should
Cut him open.
Yeah, maybe we should cut him open and see what's inside.
Like surgery.
Just like we did with the doll maker and just like we did with Benson. We should cut him open and see what's in there. Maybe we'll see why he has all this silliness in him. Guys, he's trying to run away. We gotta go get him.
Go.
Run! Oh, you got him! You got Slappy! Great job, guys. All right, so let's see him. All right, Mr. Slappy. That's it. We're gonna see see all the silliness that's inside of him, okay? All right. He's trying to get away. Make sure he doesn't get away. I'll hold on to him tight. Hold it tight. Grab him, Pen, grab him.
I'm gonna grab him.
You got his foot?
Yeah.
Don't let him get away, guys. Guys, make sure that if you use scissors, you ask your parents to help you out.
I'm gonna hold his hand so he doesn't move. Okay.
Okay, are we ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
All right, we got a hole right here, guys. You ready to see what's in there?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Bashy.
It's a PJ Masks toy for you, Bash.
There's a PJ Masks toy inside.
Let's open it.
Wait, I think there's something else in there, guys.
There's a
Whoa!
toy.
Just like Benson had. There's 2 toys inside of him. That's why he's so silly, guys. Oh no, he's trying to
Come
get
back
away.
here.
He's trying to get away.
We have toys, so.
So Slappy ran into the kitchen, it looked like. So I guess let's run in there and see if we can find him.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
You got him! You guys are great at getting Slappy. Alrighty, Slappy. We're gonna cut you open again and see what else is inside of you, okay?
You just cut me open. Why?
Cut him open.
Again?
Let's cut him a little bit more.
Yes. Oh, I see. I see his
Do you see something in there?
Uh-huh.
You ready? Whoa! What's that?
It's a
It's a lucky fortune. Ooh, this one's got glittery bracelets inside.
Ooh, should we show?
Oh, Slappy ran away again! Where is he going over there? You guys ready to open these?
Yeah.
Let's see. Cool bracelets.
Well, the girl. Hey, I got the girl ones. He got the boy ones.
I know, it worked out really well. Wow, buddy. How cool.
I'm gonna wear these all day.
And you each got a lucky and you each got a very lucky. Alright guys, so Slappy went this way behind me, so let's see if we can get him.
See, I get.
I think he's trying to escape. Good job, Pen. We got him.
Yeah. Maybe he's. You're gonna cut me open again.
Yep, we're going to cut you.
Why? You just cut me open 25 times.
Alright, let's cut him open one more time, guys, and see what's in there.
Why?
You ready?
Why? I'm cutting him open. There's a toy.
Wow, look at that. Alright, guys. We should see if we can find Slappy again, alright?
Okay, see if any more things are in him.
Yeah. Maybe we check upstairs?
Yeah, maybe.
Alright, let's go upstairs.
I hear him.
Is he up there?
I hear him.
Let's go.
Whoa.
Did you see Slappy?
Did you see?
No, I don't know what you're talking about, but we gotta talk about these pranks you guys have been doing.
No, we didn't.
I just changed my clothes. I was soaking wet.
No, we didn't prank you. It was Slappy. He ran up
We
here.
all got pranked.
No, I think you guys are playing. All 3 of you are playing pranks on me.
No, we
I,
weren't.
We didn't.
I see what's
It wasn't
going
us.
on.
It was Slappy.
No,
It's always Slappy. I don't think it's Slappy. I think you guys are playing pranks. No more pranks.
No.
I got my eye on you guys.
We didn't do pranks.
No more
We
pranks.
didn't do pranks.
Did you guys have fun today?
Yeah.
All right. Let's say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Catch you on the flip side. Bye. Bye. I want a fruit snack. I want a fruit snack. Let's do it again.
Okay.